respected principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Today we are celebrating 72nd Republic Day of India.
Paryavika from 4th Standard. Today we are celebrating 72nd Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January since 1950. It's time for recalling and rejoicing the victory of our freedom fighters on this Republic Day. All of us are here to celebrate 72nd Republic Day of our country today.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Tazeen Firat, student of Knowledge Park International School, studying in 10th standard. I'm here to give a short speech on the Republic Day of 2021. This 2021 Republic Day is celebrated not less than a festival in India. Here the whole country is regardless of the caste, religion, creed, etc. On this day, the entire country is laced in tricolors to convey that India is a nation who has the unity in diversity, which is celebrated every year by us.
On this day, the Constitution of India came into force of 1950. The Constitution is supreme law of India, written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. It took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to draft the Constitution of India. India becomes a secularity and democratic country on this day. For the people, by the people, of the people. Today, on the topic, Republic Day. The government must give all the right to choose the government, freedom, duties and responsibilities. First India in good manners. Now India is a democratic free country where all people can do anything which they like and be proud to be Indian. Today,
In the year 1950, the constitution was formed. India turned to a secular and democratic-based nation on this day.
so date in 1950, the constitution of India came into force.
it is the day when our constitution was framed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Republic Day is our national festival and national holiday. The President of our country hoists the national flag. I wish you a very happy Republic Day.
Day. It is our national festival. The whole country, irrespective of caste, creed, religion, beams with joy and happiness. The entire country, with its tricolors, conveys that unity in diversity is celebrated. The Republic Day reminds us of our struggle for freedom was based on very high principles and ideas such as non-discrimination, cooperation, non-violence, etc. It also reminds us the sacred values enshrined in the Constitution of India. It is the day of national pride. Grand military on Republic Day parade reminds us the security of territorial sovereignty as the outcome of the sacrifices of our people. On this day, our Constitution came into existence by drafting committee with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as its president.
आप सभी को गणतंत्र दिवस की बहुत शुभकामनाएं। आओ इस दिन का मजा उठाएं, हम सब मिलकर गणतंत्र दिवस मनाएं। आज हम 72वां गणतंत्र दिवस मना रहे हैं। ये हम सभी भारतीयों के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण दिन है। जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि 26 जनवरी 1950 को भारत के संविधान लागू किया गया था। इसी उपलक्ष्य पर हर भारतीय नागरिक इस दिन को बड़े ही उत्सव और देश प्रेम के साथ मनाता है। भारत में गणतंत्र दिवस का इतिहास बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है। मैं इस गणतंत्र दिवस पर सबसे निवेदन करती हूँ कि आज हम ये संकल्प लें कि हम अपने देश के संविधान की सुरक्षा करेंगे। धरती हरी भरी हो तो आकाश मुस्कुराए, ऐसा कुछ करो जिससे इतिहास जगमगाए। धन्यवाद।
అందరికీ గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. భారతదేశ చరిత్రలో 26 1950వ సంవత్సరం
భారతీయులందరం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సిన అతి ముఖ్యమైన రోజు.
ఊరున సాగిపో రంగురంగుల జెండా, మన రంగురంగుల జెండా. రివ్వురివ్వున సాగిపో రంగురంగుల జెండా, మన రంగురంగుల జెండా. రండి పూనానులార బండి బయలుదేరా, ఇక జెండా ఎగరవేరా. రండి ఓ బాలులార బండి బయలుదేరా, ఇక జెండా ఎగరవేరా.
National School. Republic Day is a very important and special occasion for India and citizens of India.
इस दिन ही हमारे देश को अपना संविधान मिला था. 26 जनवरी 1950 को सुबह 10:18 पर भारत का संविधान लागू किया गया था. संविधान लागू होने के बाद हमारा देश भारत एक गणतंत्र देश बन गया. इसके कुछ लम्हों बाद डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद ने भारत के पहले राष्ट्रपति के रूप में शपथ ली थी. इस दिन पहली बार बतौर राष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद बग्घी पर बैठकर राष्ट्र भवन से निकले थे. यह संविधान ही है जो भारत के सभी जाति और वर्ग के लोगों को एक दूसरे से जोड़ रखता है.
Many freedom fighters have fought fiercely and sacrificed their lives. We can never forget their dedication to the country. They have done a lot for us. They have done a lot for us, due to which today we are living comfortably in our country, India. On this day, the Constitution of India came into a force on 26 January in 1950. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is the father of Constitution of India. And the Republic means that the citizen of the country have the fundamental rights like freedom of speech, education, religion and many more. We must perform all of our duties as a responsible citizen. Some support of development of country. Let us all pledge today to work hard and make our country the strongest economy in the world. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.